What's up, guys? It's Stuart. Sassy guys or sassy monkey fans or maybe my bananas. I'll come up with
your
something.
bananas for your fans.
Yeah, but I'll come up with something cool. My chimps. What's up, my chimps? There we go. Back, Lewis, right here with Rob.
Yep.
Somebody else far back room. Hi.
Hey, stranger.
There we go. So, we are here with the G.I. Joe Talkie exclusive Outback. I'm going to try to pronounce his name. It's Stuart Selkirk. Selkirk? I don't know. But AKA Outback. Target Tiger Force exclusive figure. This is number 39. Even if they're up to 60, 63, I think, but this is 39. Like, just, so yeah, I'm so excited. Wonderbox has a new Back of a Jungle. I like his little orange shirt, his little gray beard stuff. The detail is so great with all these accessories, that big old backpack. This dude is jacked. I wonder how much he works out. Like, is he on the regiment like The Rock, Dwayne Johnson? Damn, jacked. Alright, well, we're gonna open this up.
A few moments later.
Once again, we got Outback open, Tiger Force Outback, not regular Outback, Tiger Force. Biggest difference is the paint, the orange shirt, probably a little bit color on the paint.
Any information about that?
My Google is a piece of shit. Not once, not 3 sentences that say, hey, no. Stupid thing. That's what happens when you have a speech impairment. It just starts talking. Things out, Google. So anyway, we got the thing open. I put all the accessories on him. He carries everything. I love that. So we have the sidearm, we have the shovel, the backpack, of course, the gun, then we have the flashlight, and the boot knife. Is it boot knife or is
Yeah,
it
boot knife.
boot knife? So
Just what people call it.
it's everything on him right there. He has this big backpack because he's an Outback survivalist. I got a question for that special someone sitting next to me. Do you think this guy right here could make it in 60 days, not 60 days, alone? Because he is a survivalist.
Physically, maybe, but alone also has a lot of mental challenges.
But it's a G.I. Joe.
Yeah.
I mean, Rambo did it.
Remember?
Rambo.
But check it out. It shows the detail of this bad boy right there with the jagged up arm. Look at those triceps. Dude, he does a lot of that. Oh my god. He's a jagged up guy. I think he could do alone.
Oh, yeah, there's no question about it.
I think he could do it. He's a survivalist. That's what he does. That's who he is. He is survival of the fittest. He's pretty fit. So, let's take this backpack off. Okay, we're going to put this aside. So here's your backpack. It does have a peg for the gun. You can put right here. Has the shovel, which we'll take this off. And if you don't know, with the shovel, if you're in the woods, bury your poop. No, we got.
I think it's used for more reasons than that.
I think
Because there are survival shovels.
I think this is to bury your poop.
Why would you bury your poop in the woods?
That's what you do.
You don't bury your poop
That's
in the woods.
courtesy.
No.
You go camping and bury your poop.
You don't want predators.
See? You don't want predators.
Never
So,
ran into that problem.
no. Okay. Here's the far side right here. Boom. Check that bad boy out. Like right in the left side. Right there. And then we got the boom knife.
The volume
What?
is currently set to 50%.
Nobody
Thank you.
asked you.
So here's a boom knife. I'm kind of disappointed because it's all one color. There's not even paint on it. So it's like kind of, I feel like we got it cheaped out on that one. But my favorite part is the sidearm because it has tape on the handle. How cool is
I'm
that?
blocking that.
Oh, boy, that's cool. Has tape on the handle. That's some cool detail right there. Kinda makes up for the lack of paint on the knife. So I'm not happy about that. But that's all the accessories Outback comes with. He almost tipped over. Stand up. There we go. So, we have 4, 5, 6 accessories on this one guy. That's awesome. I like when you come with a lot of stuff. So, boom. They get into this review. I do want the retro. I like the white t-shirt better. I like the classic look of the G.I. Joe. It is Tiger Force, I get that. They done it back in the 80s and 90s. But I want the white t-shirt. Don't take away from this. It's a beautiful figure. So I'm going to give this a 9 because I love the accessories. I love the tape on the gun handle. I like it, and he's so jacked. It makes me want to stop eating cupcakes. No, not really. I like cupcakes. So I'm going with a 9. We got Rob.
We'll give it a 9.5.
9.5 for Rob. And one more. No, she doesn't want to rate this because she doesn't like G.I. Joe. I hope that's wrong. But, so there we go. I'm at 9. Rob's at 9.5. What do you guys rate this album? Do you have it? Show me your pictures. Tag me on Facebook, Monkey Paw Toys. I'll put that link below. Check out the website, the store, monkeypawtoys.com. I like you all. I like to interact. Like, comment, share. Tell me what figures you want me to open. Till next time, happy hunting.